with a new video, man. It's your boy Llama770, and we back at it again with a brand new video. Today, I got some brand new kidney grills for my G20 330i, the M330i competition. You feel me? I'm just playing. But yeah, shout out to eBay for sending me this. Yeah, they didn't send it to me, bro. I bought that junk, bro. Yeah, I decided to go with this one because it looks pretty cool. You know what I mean? I'm a simple guy, bro. If it look cool, I'm gonna put it on. You feel me? If it's not rice style, I'm gonna put it on. If I think this junk looks cool, I'm gonna put it on. I think it's like gloss black and chrome. That's what it looks like, or silver, or whatever y'all want to call it. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and install this, make it a little quick video. You know what I mean? And like I said, the only performance stuff that I'm doing next to my 330i might be a cold air intake. You feel me? That might be the last performance thing I do, because you know I already basically got everything I wanted. Downpipe tune, that's all you really need. And I don't want no new exhaust, bro. It's kind of expensive. I don't know about that. I don't want to put all that money into a 330i because we know we're trying to get that G80. Y'all know that. But yeah, we're gonna finish up the build with cosmetic mods, mostly. I'm not gonna say only, but mostly. But if y'all think y'all gonna like this video, hit the thumbs up button and put on the post notification bell. Let's go. Alright guys, we outside with it. Step one to installing this G20 grill would be to pop the hood. You know, it's a little two pump, pop the hood. Open this junk up. You feel me? Man, the vehicle don't need to be on for this, so go ahead and turn it off, you know what I mean? We see that good old B46 sitting in the engine bay. Step two would be removing this weather strip. You feel me? Go ahead and take off the weather strip. Put it in a safe place. And then y'all see these little black plastic bolts. Go ahead and get something so you can pry these out. And once you pry these out, this should come loose. You feel me? I don't even know what these called. Plastic screws, plastic bolts. I don't really know, but we finna get them up. I'm finna set the camera up because I don't want to hold the camera and drop the camera. You feel me? Next step would be to get your toolbox. You feel me? Get some tools. You know what I mean? So you can figure out which tools you need to get these little black bolts up. I would like recommend using maybe like a flathead, something like with a flat tip to it. You feel me? No diddy, flat end. You feel me? Use something with a flat end, because I just got one piece out. Yep. And put these back inside of them. You feel me? You don't want to lose these, bro. You're going to need all of them. You're going to need all of them. Second one out. Throw it back in the toolbox. Just don't leave them out. The next one out. This one. And the last one. The small ones go at the two ends. There's two small ones. One goes on the left side, one goes on the right side. Damn. Ooh-wee. Last one. This last one giving me a headache, bro. Alright, so I got all of them out. I ended up getting the last one out. Off camera, bro. That jump was a headache. And then all this should be able to just be able to pull this up. Wiggle it out. You don't want to break nothing. Oh shit. You don't want to break nothing, you feel me? Because things like this on the BMW will end up being like 100. This thing will probably end up being like $100, bro. So be careful with these plastics on your BMW, because you don't want to have to pay for this junk, bro. You feel me? Put that junk to the side. Now that we took out all the black bolts or the black screws. There's gonna be a T30 screw in the middle of the kidney grills. You're gonna have to get a T30 screwdriver on tip and screw that bad boy out. You feel me? So let's do that. I would recommend getting yourself one of these, man. Shout out to my dad, man. One of these. Little screwdriver. You don't even need no drill. Just use your hands, you feel me? Like a man. And get this junk out. And make sure you put this junk to the side, like I said, with everything else. Put everything else to the side, chat. You feel me? Once you get that out, you're gonna feel it loosens up a little bit. And now I'm gonna show y'all. Hold up. Now, what you gotta do next, once you got that screw from the middle out, these little clips, you see these clips that go along? Yeah. You're gonna have to pop these out. And once you pop these out, the kidney grill should come out. You feel me? Yo. Yeah, getting these clips out, I ain't gonna lie. Getting these clips out is definitely, you pop one side out. It's definitely gonna be probably the most difficult part of this whole installation. Alright, I got this side popped out. It sounded violent. It sounded like I possibly could have broke something. But hopefully I didn't. Actually, it looks straight. Gotta get this side. There we go. Whew. And just like that, bro. We got these old ones off. And we see the active grill that's underneath it that a lot of people seem to hate. But me, I have no problem with it. I see people cut off the active vents. There's no need for that, bro. That's just being extra. Okay, now you're gonna get the new grill, mind you. It was getting too hot, so I had to take off the, the crew neck. You feel me? The boy Llama 770 looking swole. Thumbnail. All right, that's cool. But yeah, next step would to be to just line these up and basically line in the clips with the clips the tough clips. You know what clips I'm talking about. Them clips was so difficult. So line the top clips up with the bottom clips and everything and just push it in till it clicks. You feel me? That side with me. That side. That side. That side. Okay, and y'all see the installation. Mind you, I accidentally got the one with the camera hole in the middle, and my junk don't have a camera hole. So we're gonna have to find something to put in that spot. It's not a big deal to me. Fortunately, it doesn't mess up the looks or anything. People might think it's a camera hole. People gonna think there's a camera in it, but it's not. You know what I mean? But if y'all like this video, oh yeah, mind you, to put it back together, bro, just put all the screws and everything back in the same spot. I would show y'all, but I doubt y'all want to see that process. Everybody just wants to know how to install it, you know what I mean? But if you guys like this video, please hit the thumbs up button, click the post notification bell, click the sub button, send me a super chat, follow me on Instagram. Yeah, just keep your eye out on more 330i content, 330i competition, you feel me? I need to go get a car wash, but new video coming real soon. I'm probably gonna film the next video right now. Matter of fact, so stay tuned.